agency owner and GoHilevel power user. We've been able to charge business owner up to $11,000 with $297 to $497 of recurring revenue to maintain an AI system that we're about to show you in this video. Now, we've been in the space for quite a long time and we have spent the last 2.5 years researching the best AI platform that is reliable for us to resell and fulfill for our client and our student. And if you're watching this, you're probably familiar with the two buckets. The first bucket is one of those AI tool or platform that really sound robotic and really not gonna give you an overall good product for your agency and your client.
How can I help you today?
Hey there, I would like to book an appointment as soon as possible.
Got it. I can help with that. And in one sentence, what's the call about?
Sure, I just want to learn how to use AI to grow my business.
Great. Earliest I can do is today, Tuesday.
Now, the second bucket is where we have an AI agent that been put together by platforms such as Make, Zapier, or NA. Those agents sound really good and can do a lot of things. However, due to their nature, it's very hard to set up and very difficult to productize your offer. Now, we have a middle ground platform that actually have a really good sounding voice agent at the same time have a functional ability that can actually replace a human setter, and that is the exact angle that our agency position ourselves, which is to replace your front desk receptionist or your human setter. And that is the exact angle that allows us to easily ask business owner $297 to $497 per month with no resistance at all. So let me just show you the exact AI agent. Introduce Amy.
I'm Amy. I help real estate agents like you get more qualified buyer and seller appointments using AI. You have a quick minute to chat?
No, I don't. I'll call you tomorrow.
No worries. Give us a call tomorrow when it suits you. What time window works best in Sydney time?
11 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll give you a ring tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sydney time.
So as you can see there, the agent is busy and not free to talk, which happens most of the time when you randomly call someone after a Facebook form opt-in. So the prospect indicate that he's busy. The AI agent then asks what is the best time for him to call back, and he said tomorrow 11 a.m.
Hi, Ed.
Hello?
It's Amy. Have you got a quick minute to chat?
Yes.
Perfect. Just so you know, this call is basically an example of the kind of AI we set up for agents. Have you used AI in your business before?
No.
Okay. What's the most time-consuming, repetitive part of handling seller leads for you right now?
Finding opportunities.
Perfect. That's exactly where our AI helps. It texts back instantly, asks the right questions, and hands you a clean summary and pushes to book a time with you. For a quick 15-minute discovery call, the best times I can see are tomorrow.
Friday, 12 o'clock.
Perfect.
So this is a follow-up call on the next day that the AI agent called back this prospect at the exact same time that he said he's going to be free. And as you probably can tell, he picked up and the AI agent proceed to ask qualification question to make sure that he is a good fit before proceed to book the appointment with this particular prospect. Now, let me just show you what's happening inside the platform. This is our workspace for EchoSetter. By the way, guys, I just want to be very upfront. This is a white label version of Assistable.ai. However, if you head over to Assistable.ai, you can see that they have a very different pricings to us. And if you check the first link in the description and the comment, we actually offer a way more competitive price for the entry level for 10 staff account. That might change soon depending on when you watch this video, alongside with all of our support and our snapshot as well. So this is inside the EchoSetter workspace that will pretty much issue one to you. And if you head over to integration, you can see that it integrates very well with HighLevel as the first option, and you just have to click connect to GoHighlevel and really just follow the prompt here, check the checkbox and connect to HighLevel by logging into your GoHighlevel account, right? This is what you do when you want to connect on an agency level. Okay, so really just enter your information here and finish the setup. Now, inside this EchoSetter workspace, you can create new sub account just like the same way you create your GoHighlevel sub account, and you can link a sub account instead of the whole agency account by just add a new sub account and click on direct connection here with GoHighlevel. Right now, as you can see here, our GoHighlevel sub account for this one is connected to EchoSetter Assistant. And once you click on it as a menu link, it really just open up this whole EchoSetter sub account. right? However, what I want to show you in this video is the tool and the functionality of this AI agent. So you can see here, it's a global prompt, just like any other AI tool out there. You have a global prompt that really instructs the AI agent on how to behave, how to answer a call, and how to handle objection, personality, and tones, right? Especially when it's integrated to 11 Lab, you can really just like clone any voice at this stage. But the functionality that I want to show you guys is that on the right hand side here, if you head over to tool and APIs, they have their own default custom tool, right? So this is kind of like the tool that gives the bot ability to do certain things. So if you have a look here under interactive creation, you have this ability to call self-schedule, which is allow the bot to schedule herself to reach back out to the prospect at a later time. So pretty much just call this tool if the user requests to reach them back in a future time, right? So this is kind of what the bot do. It book an appointment with itself to call the prospect back, and you're gonna need that most of the time. And it's such a useful tool that allow our bot to effectively perform better than any of their human counterpart, right? And all you have to do, guys, is really just click add this to your assistant. That's all you have to do, like nothing else. And then the bot will have this ability to do that. Now, as you can see here, it can create tasks and create note inside HighLevel by just, based on the conversation that the bot have. And all you have to do is just click add to assistant, and it's really just give your bot the knowledge to do that, right? It's obviously not everyone. That's why this tool is kind of customizable. Sometimes you don't want your bot to create tasks or take notes or anything like that, right? Now, quickly, guys, if you don't want to have to build your entire bot from scratch, we have a copy and paste template for all of our AI bot, including all of the custom tools that you see in this video. And we have a complete parallel GoHighlevel snapshot that come with EchoSetter. It's going to help you get this whole entire thing, including Meta Ad Video, GoHighlevel automations, and EchoSetter AI agent launched for your agency and your client as quick as possible. And on top of that, just by signing up to our GoHighlevel 30-day trial or EchoSetter reseller plan, you're going to get access to our entire library of snapshot vault that we've been collecting, making, and polishing in the last 4 years of our agency, including coaching snapshot, onboarding snapshot, recruiting snapshots, and really all of that stuff alongside with our one-on-one onboarding support for your agency. Just to show you exactly what I mean, if you head over to assistant right here and you click create new assistant, we have this option here called import with ID. So instead of creating your assistant from scratch, you could just import by copy and paste our assistant. So we have everything outlined in this Google Docs here. We're going to click copy, and we're gonna go over back to the account level and click paste, and boom, you got our exact AI agent with all prompt, all custom tool installed already. And all you have to do is just click launch. Heading back, the next function is a reminder sequence. So it's not just about booking appointment, but actually remind people to show up to the appointment.
Hi, Timmy. I'm reaching out to confirm your upcoming strategy session for the no-code 10K AI agency model. Your strategy session is scheduled for today, Wednesday, October 8th at 2 p.m. your time. Does that still work for you?
Yes.
If you have any questions or need anything before the call, just let me know. Have a fantastic day.
Thank you.
With this particular function, all you have to do is just add the make AI call actions into your appointment reminder sequence. So it's not really an extra custom tool that you have to add. Okay. And by the way, after you integrate EchoSetter or Assistable into your HighLevel, you're going to have an extra action into your workflow step. Okay. So for example, if I click add here, I'm going to write under apps. You can see right here, create assistant hybrid agents. Those have make AI call, get call, chat follow-ups, and all of the other stuff. But we pay $60 per month for 65,000 premium execution anyway, so it really doesn't affect our agency that much. But just note those are premium trigger. Okay. Now the third function that's gonna make this AI agent replacing an actual human setter is the ability to update and adjust time zone, as you can see in this call.
Your strategy session is scheduled for today, Thursday, October 9th, from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. your time. Does this time still work for you?
Well, I'm in the Eastern Standard Time. You told me it's 8 o'clock. It doesn't matter. 7:30 is fine too, but I'm in New York's time zone. 7:30 New York time or 8 o'clock New York time?
Your session is at 8 p.m. New York time, Eastern Time. Does that work for you?
Okay. Yes, no problem.
Now, as you can see, our AI agent is highly intelligent. Once it understands it made a mistake in terms of the context time zone, it's just go ahead and update the context time zone and make a note on GoHighlevel CRM. And on the back end, it can do that by heading over to Tools and API again. As you can see here under Information Collection, it can update user detail. So really update user detail information in the CRM The field can be updated using this tool, which is first name, email, phone number, full address, time zone, and website. So it also can do other things such as scraping website, allow AI to look at website and add prompts and use contact website into your instructions. So this is really for building an AI assistant, some kind of a chat widget or an AI support assistant where you can just feed it your client website into this tool and it just learn everything by just scraping that website. And the next action is search the web and return with search engine answer to a query. Use this tool to search the web. So pretty much if the AI doesn't know anything or understand the context of the conversation, it can go out there and search the web to understand the context a bit better. We don't necessarily use this one because that would slow down the conversation a lot. Now, the next function is very common already, which is the ability to book appointment, handle objection, and ask pre-qualification questions. I feel like a lot of AI agents and platforms can do this already. I'm still quite impressed with the call recording that I review each day from my agency from our AI agents.
You just have to do the stock market, right?
Great question. Our 10K AI Fast Track program isn't about stock trading. It's about building no-code AI tools you can resell to local businesses. Think real estate agents or chiropractors. What's your current main source of income?
Self-employed.
Thanks. What's been your biggest challenge when starting something new?
I would say making sure it's going to succeed.
Totally understandable. How many hours per week could you commit to something like this?
Well, I could commit more than 20 hours a week. Actually, probably even more than that.
So in this call, our AI agent successfully handle the confusion from the prospects and go ahead and ask qualification question and book the call. So just show you guys quickly to do that is actually have a lot to do with the prompts and nothing to do with the custom tool at this stage. So it really has to do with this section in the prompt, which is to number one, to greet the user, introduce the program, ask permission to proceed, and gauge interest if this would be your cup of tea, right? Learning human slang and language. And then they would go ahead and identify motivation by asking what got you interest in the no-code AI SaaS agency. Just to show you guys, question and the objection handling is on the prompt level. It's just playing around with it. And the best part of it, like I said, you don't have to do this yourself. All you have to do is just copy and paste our agent ID and it will get import directly to your EchoSetter sub account. Now, a lot of functionality that a lot of AI agents are missing is the ability to understand context and send link. So listen to this call.
Have you joined our Skool and Facebook communities yet? They're full of like-minded folks sharing tips and ideas to grow together.
I have not.
No problems. I've sent you the link to join our Skool and Facebook communities. It's a great place to connect and learn from others in the same journey.
Thank you.
No problems.
So as you can see here, this is inside our HighLevel account. And after this call, the AI agent is saying, hey Stu, this is Eva. And here's the link to the weekly masterclass. And it just really sent the link. And it's also sent the link to our exclusive community as well. And the link to lead access, the link to our Skool community and our support network. So it really have the ability to understand and send link to people. And you can definitely have this as a testimonial video link where people can watch before jumping to a sales call with one of your team or some other useful link that you want to send to people. And these are the critical functions that allow our AI agent not just to call and book, but also able to perform action that allow itself to replace their human counterpart. Now, if you watch the video this far, you really have two options here. Number one is the people that is in the category of working with the AI. This is the people that's going to be building, offering AI agent to business owners. So we're working with the AI movement. The second bucket is where we have people that working against the AI. So they really reluctant, skeptical, and couldn't believe that AI can actually replace a human counterpart. So just make sure that you guys are clear on which category you position your business to be in. And look, EchoSetter and Assistable.ai is not 100% perfect. There's always room to improve. That's why we spent the last 8 to 10 months inside our agency optimizing and polish this bot that you can copy and paste straight away with your agency alongside with all of the snapshot, all of the SOP, and all of the courses that you can implement yourself or just pass it on to your tech VA or your tech team so that we can help you make more money by reselling AI agents like this and keep your client a lot longer and charge them a lot more, just like what Alex Hamosi said. So if you watch the video this far, do me a favor. Number one, like this video. It would help with the algorithm a lot. Number two, subscribe. We're going to push out more content about AI like this in the future. Number three, just check the first link in the description and the pinned comment. We have a huge deal that we're doing right now with EchoSetter platform that allow you to resell 10 sub account for whatever price that you see on the page. Otherwise, this is Vico Kang. See you on the next one.